Hi and welcome to my Playhouse. And today there is no new video from me, but well, this is kind of a video. But do you remember that old laptop that I did a review video on before I was meaning to give it away, and nobody wanted it. And then this guy, Victor from the Netherlands, who is also a YouTuber and has a YouTube channel with reviewing old stuff. Well, he reached out to me on Twitter, so you should definitely follow me on Twitter. Well, maybe you're watching this on Twitter. If you're not watching this on Twitter, go follow me on Twitter. But Victor got the laptop, and we did a little video when I met up with him, and you will get that right now. Hi, and welcome to my Playhouse. Today I'm here with Victor from
Retro Machines.
Yeah, another YouTube channel, and he's out of the Netherlands. And yeah, he wanted this old laptop.
Yeah, because
Toshiba.
I do videos about old computers, and yeah, this is pretty old, so yeah, I like it. And the nice thing about old laptops is they have a built-in power supply, so we don't have to search for power supply, and of course keyboard connector, COM port, VGA, parallel port, all the old connections. So yeah, I like it.
Cool.
Thank you.
So Victor is gonna take over this old laptop for me, and I'm gonna have more room in my living room for more newer, awesome stuff.
Yeah, more servers.
I am more into the newer stuff. So yeah,
Great.
it's great, and this is proof that we YouTubers work all the time, because it's bloody early in the morning here, and I had to go and meet Victor here in a very nice area, actually.
Yeah, this is really lovely here.
Yeah, I gotta get going because I have work today.
Good.
So have a nice day.
Yeah, thank you.
So today Victor posted this video that he did. So I'm kind of promoting his video because I'm in it. Yeah, that's how that works. So go check out Victor's video and go check out his channel to see if well, you might like the old stuff that he's doing as well. So yeah, he has my old laptop. It's his now, and he has to mess with that Danish keyboard. Good luck, dude. Have a really nice day, everybody. Bye bye.